Working with DesignCAD and have a DC3 drawing file to open? This is a 3D model from DesignCAD 3D Max. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these DesignCAD 3D drawing files. My experience tells me that some DC3 files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. A DC3 file is a 3D drawing created with DesignCAD 3D Max, a computer-aided design program. Users typically search for this extension when they need to view, edit, or share a 3D model or 2D technical drawing. The format is used for architectural plans, mechanical parts, and other engineering designs. The DC3 format is a proprietary binary file structured to store vector-based geometric data, including points, lines, curves, and surfaces, along with metadata like layers, colors, and object properties. This design prioritizes precision and efficient rendering of complex 3D models within the DesignCAD environment. We suggest testing the DC3 file first with the utility DesignCAD 3D Max from IMSI Design, LLC. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows shows only limited geometry, so deeper analysis requires specialized modeling tools. To ensure we don't miss anything, right-click your DC3 file and click Open with. Test DesignCAD 3D Max first. If it fails, select another program. We are checking all installed readers. The specificity of the DC3 format is likely what caused the error. Before we proceed, let's run through this short checklist to confirm key parameters. First, opening in DesignCAD. Install DesignCAD 3D Max from IMSI Design. Launch the application and use File then Open to load your DC3 file. The drawing displays in DesignCAD's 3D workspace with all geometry layers and materials ready for editing, dimensioning, or rendering for technical documentation. Next, exporting to standard formats. Within DesignCAD use, File then Export to save the drawing in widely supported formats like DWG, DXF, STL, or 3ds. Once exported, the geometry can be opened in AutoCAD SolidWorks Blender or other CAD applications, providing interoperability beyond the DesignCAD native format. Finally, converting with CAD translators. Use third-party CAD translation services or applications like CAD Exchanger to convert DC3 files to modern formats. These tools support a wide range of legacy and current CAD formats, handling the conversion when DesignCAD itself is not available on your system. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.